So my adapter piece came in. So I'm gonna put that on. Oh man, you can smell that. It runs so lean. That's crazy. So yeah, definitely getting the tune. Yeah, that sounds so much better with the thing. So I'll probably go for one more ride just today. Then send the ECU in tomorrow. Nice and brown. Out. Here. Oh, here. On the rim. Okay, so about 2.5 bottles in. So now what you want to do is you want to close this. You're gonna turn the cap on. When you start it, you'll be able to see this window just go down, 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 down. Alright, that's all you need. See? It's all gone now. Alright. Should be good. Yep, so it is right in the middle. Yep, and that is it. That's as easy as it is. Oh, also, how to change the mileage. Oh, yeah, I'll show you that. So to reset the light, down to service, and then you hold enter and up. All right, hold these. It's probably like 10 seconds. Why is it raining? All right, 10 seconds, yep, and then select. Yeah, okay, so press the top one, and then the enter for entertainment. Yes, and there you go, 3,105. So now I'm gonna figure out this exhaust. Right, like that. Right, so the clearance, literally, like, that is insane. I don't know if you can see that, but like that is millimeters. So whoever designed this is crazy. It's like, what? Dude, that's so close. But it'll work though. I don't know if the bottom thing is gonna work. Still gotta figure that out, but keep on fidgeting with this. See if I can get on. It's actually crazy that it just took the pin off. Alright, checking it again. I got the heat gun. It is slightly on, so that actually worked. But I actually broke my lens on the camera, so that kind of sucks. You can tell. Yeah, you kind of see that little dot. Yeah, so I broke the lens, so that sucks. But whatever. Alright, well, we got it on. I'm not gonna put it all the way. There's a little gap here. It's better than what it was. So, alright, got it on. Oh my gosh, I broke my camera. Like, that is crazy. Like, what? It's starting to get dark, so going for a quick ride. Bud. What's up, bud? Rich it is on stock tune. Should be fine. I never strapped my helmet down like an idiot. Rookie mistakes, man. I'm all over the place today. But yeah, this exhaust is definitely louder. We are at 4,989 miles. Yeah, that's loud. So I will admit, it probably lost high-end power without an exhaust. Bro, so like, is the R1 this loud, bro? I gotta like scream at this point. Like, oh my god, dude. Holy Jesus. For what? For what? I'm gonna wait. I don't wanna. I'll wait for this car. Like, I feel like the bike has to be so hot to shoot flames like this. See, it does not like down low. Yeah, like it has no clue what to do at like 2000. It has no idea what it's doing here. So this is where no tune will affect you so much when you're just trying to give steady throttle at like a low RPM. Because the bike, like, it's bucking, the bike doesn't even feel good. Like the bike, yeah, it's literally bucking. Like the bike does not like this. See, like here it's still bucking. It doesn't like anything under 4. Anything under 4 is like, nah. Look at it, 5 miles till 5,000. But yeah, this thing is loud. Like, earplugs needed loud. Before we get this tuned, I need to see if this thing shoots flames, bro. She officially shoots flames. Yo! Bro, that, you could hear that in your ears, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's it. Going home to get the tune. She shoots flames. You know, I've never heard that, dude, that is so sick. That's literally all I wanted. A bike that shot flames, and here we are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. It shoots flames. Wow. That is crazy, dude. That is wild. But yeah, that, I don't know. I guess that was just like too loud, because like I could feel that in my ears. It's like, oh my god, dude, I've never felt that feeling before in my ears before. Like, I'm telling you, this has to be at like 120 something decibels, probably even more than that. Like, this is stupid loud, like ungodly loud, dude. So yeah, I don't know, man. Hey guys, if you watched this entire video, please give it a thumbs up.
My dream came true of having a flame spitting bike, dude. Oh my goodness, that is insane. That is actually wild. So yeah, guys, if you watch all the way to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the greatest. And from the bottom of my heart, every single one of you means so much to me. We are at 700 subscribers. This is just the beginning. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. It shoots flamethrower. Oh my gosh, dude, it actually shoots like flame. Actually shoots flames, so that is so crazy, man. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. That is so crazy.